drive through it. Oh. Go, 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 go. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Good line through there. There you go. Now you can feel the car more now, can't you?
Yeah.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Just keep going. Don't give up. Stay ahead. There you go. Nice. I'd take a wider line around that one next time. Oh, nice. Much better. Just move. There you go. Good. There you go. Nice.
Wow.
You took a second off.
Yeah, I took a second off.
Yeah. And you know
You know a little bit more about how to...
yeah, you've got to feel the car. You've got to feel the car more because that run was much better. It was more than a second faster, from in here.
Okay.
And until you get used to it, and if you think that Ryan Bitzer goes out there and doesn't get the car sideways on a run like this, you're crazy. He's doing it. He's doing it all the way through.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Good. Anyway, that was a nice improvement. Try some tire pressure change.
Okay.
Take it down 3 or 4 pounds and see what happens.
Okay. Thanks,
all right.
Tom.
So coming up next in the second group, the blue workers. We have orange runners. So the orange.
Uh-oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. That's what it was. Oh,